Welcome to D-Lab, everybody. This is a short video on a recent arrival to D-Lab. So I have a silver face Fender Champ, came in the other day. It was packed in a fairly flimsy box with just loose bubble wrap wrapped around it with no tape. Unfortunately, it didn't make the trip too well. Let me show you what happened. As I removed the amplifier from the loose bubble wrap, these two pieces fell out on the floor. I was like, what is that? Of course, looking at them is pretty obvious. These are broken tube locators that are on the bottom of the octal sockets. So I immediately thought, oh no, this guy didn't send this thing with the tubes installed, did he? Well, sure enough. So here is the 6V6 and 5Y3. If you look at the pins, they are all bent, and of course the tube locators are broken off of the base. The 12AX7 inside of its shield survived the trip. So what does this result in? Well, obviously the 6V6 and 5Y3 have to be replaced. If they're a part of the problem with the amplifier, I'll never know it. Also, if you look at how these pins were bent, there's a good chance that sockets could be damaged by the side force. I've already inspected them and they're okay. And as usual, shipping services will not cover this type of damage. So your end result is an increased repair cost. So in conclusion, always remove your tubes, wrap them or box them in the box with the amplifier. Your amplifier itself should either be double boxed or wrapped with cardboard, and when you pack it, you want to ensure that everything is in there secure and it can't shift. Remember guys, you've got quite the investment in this vintage amplifier. Make sure to protect it before you ship it. And if you have any questions and you're unsure, send me an email and I'll give you some pointers before that thing leaves.